No, no, this is an all India scheme, so obviously the name has to be Prime Minister's.
Okay. But the states are spending more, sir. Like more
No,
than 10%.
see, it is the duty, the obligation of the state. State should spend. State should also converge its funds. If the center is giving support for any scheme, that does not mean that the state exchequer has not to spend. But the scheme is PM Awas Yojana. It is not CM Awas.
No, no, sir. The answer here is only 10% is spent by
So
the
no
state.
problem. Even that some state can spend some proportion, some other state can spend some other proportion. But the scheme is PM Awas
But what
Yojana.
is the rational naming behind PM, sir? When 90% of the fund is given by state?
No, the rationale is that it is for all India. It is not only for Tamil Nadu. It is not for Tamil Nadu. And India is not only Tamil Nadu, no.
But if you want to have your name, you should have more funds, right?
No, no. Where is that part? Is that written somewhere that you should have more fund to name a scheme? You appreciate that for the first time, this government has introduced a scheme where all the kacha houses will be converted into pakka houses, and this is an all India level scheme. So obviously, this has to be PM Awas Yojana. It cannot be CM Awas. He can have a separate Yojana. Let him also contribute.
Sir, your question is wrong, sir.
Which is wrong. How come, sir? Can you explain, sir? Explain, sir.
இல்ல முடிஞ்ச உடனே மினிஸ்டர் முடிஞ்ச உடனே
Like, இப்ப நீங்க wrong ன்னு சொல்றீங்க.
இல்ல மினிஸ்டர் முடிச்ச உடனே நீங்க தனியா பேசுவோம் 1 hour
சொல்றீங்க, தப்பு.
நான் இப்ப மினிஸ்டர் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு சொல்றேன்
பார்லிமெண்ட் ரெக்கார்டட் ஸ்பீச் சார். தப்புன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது.
மினிஸ்டர் முடிஞ்ச உடனே சொல்றேன் போதுமா இதெல்லாம் 60-40 ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்க 90% தமிழ்நாடு சொல்ல முடியாது.
Leave it. It is PM Awas Yojana. That is the end of it. State can't change the name. In fact, many of these schemes, the states are running in different names. Central schemes. So that is actually the complaint. Nobody is paying. We are in an equal relationship with other countries. We have 4 astronauts who have been trained. They are already there in Bengaluru. They are being prepared for the Gaganyaan mission, which will happen next year, 2025. One after those 4, there are 3 group captains and 1 wing commander, will also go for the International Space Station. And the request for that, and the suggestion for that came from the American side when Prime Minister Modi was on the visit of Washington DC and met President Biden. So we now share an equal relationship, and as far as space is concerned, we have also excelled in certain sectors. For example, we are the first one to land on the south pole of moon, and we are the 4th in the world to have reached the moon. Even though we started off late, the ISRO was established in the year 1969. And that was the year when America landed the first human being called Neil Armstrong on the surface of the moon, and we started our program in that year. So it has been a quantum jump, and this quantum jump has also happened because in the last 3-4 years, this government has removed those taboos of the past. Now it is public-private participation happening. We just had one startup 3 years back in space, one. Today we have 199 or 200. If you want to make news, you can say 200 times increase because 1 to 200. And the earlier startups like Skyroot, other, they have now turned into entrepreneurs. They have set up factories. The first factory, the private sector to develop rockets. So space economy, even in this budget, it has been mentioned in next 10 years, the space economy will go up 5 times. And 1,000 crore has been earmarked as venture fund for space. So space economy is going to contribute. Now, like, for example, today we are number 4 economy, number 5. Soon we will be 4. Prime Minister Modi said in 3rd term we will become 3rd. So we must ask ourselves, when the economy rises, where is this value addition going to come? This will come from those sources which were not being earlier explored. One is space. Now other is sitting in Tamil Nadu, the blue economy. Deep Sea Mission is flagship program of Government of India. And I hope and I appeal the state government will also cooperate in that. That will generate a huge amount of economy not only for government of India, that is later for the state itself. Fisheries and the blue seas. These are the exclusive assets of Tamil Nadu.
Please introduce yourself. Then you ask questions.
No, that one.
Sir,
Then we
what
go.
we got from ANI, sir. So I just wanted to know that DMK is doing a protest in Chennai that they have neglected, union government has neglected their funds and stuff, and they, in the budget also there is mention that they have made on a protest they want it across the wide state. What do you want to say on this?
No, I've already said that. I've already said. Rather, other states should be protesting against Tamil Nadu. They have got, as I was telling you, I just said that time also. Ask them when they were in the government. They were part of UPA. I'll just give you one example, otherwise we'll go on for 1 hour. The average allocation of rail budget for Tamil Nadu, you can note down because he's more inquisitive. Rupees 879 crore from 2009 to 2014 in UPA 2. In this budget, 2024-25, it is rupees 6,362, and the increase is of 624%. 624% increase in the rail budget of Tamil Nadu during this government compared to time when they were part of the government. So who should be protesting? They are protesting against themselves. They are regretting that we couldn't do. I'm just giving you one example. Now I just talk of railway. This state has got 6 Vande Bharats, 77 railway stations being developed. It's all on record. It's on the website. See other states. In fact, not only they are getting their due share, in some aspects they are getting more. And it is not only that some partiality happening. Every state has its own assets. Like Himalayan states, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, they have Aroma asset. So Aroma mission has started from there. Purple Revolution has started from there. Agri startup. Here you have marine economy. You have fisheries. So depending on that, that is why they are getting their due. So I think in the interest of the startups, the youngsters, we should avoid politicizing it so that the stakeholders, particularly the youth, can avail of this. So much has been given for youth in this budget. And that is regardless whichever state he comes from. So I think it's important, it's duty of all of us, whether we are from media, from political spectrum, from civil society, that we should ensure that the benefit reaches to those who actually deserve it, for whom it is been created. That is my humble suggestion. Yes, Ali? No, I welcome your question, but unfortunately today's press meet is dedicated to budget, not to Mamata Banerjee. So I'll request the Vice President to organize another meeting.
Very soon.
Go on. I think we can. Yes, anything. What?
He's saying.
No. A good question. Actually, it is not like that. The program is continuously going on. The launching happens, the dates are decided by the movement of the planets. Like dates of wedding in Hindu marriage is decided, you take out date. It is like that. It's not that you plan. It's not that there is any delay. So the dates, because depending on the mission, suppose the mission has to go to moon, or suppose it has to go to Mars, then they have to study the positioning of the planets. Accordingly, it is decided. So it is not. The program is going on. There is no interruption. Yes, there was interruption during COVID. If there was not an interruption during COVID, then maybe the Gaganyaan would have been accomplished much earlier, in 22-23 itself. No, for your Innovation. Tuticorin, we are coming up with a new launch pad. And that's a great gift for Tamil Nadu. I think that is something we should celebrate instead of protesting. After Sriharikota, it is going to be the main, one of the most important launching pads, and that too in the Tuticorin district. And the constituency is represented by the DMK. So then who should protest? All these people from DMK should sit on protest. No, don't. That is why I'm saying, please don't politicize the development things. This is going to give benefit to everybody. Our children, who have no party and no political affiliation. So let everybody get benefit.
Ji, I am Santosh. Ji, I wanted to know.
Are you a part of media, sir?
No.
So this would be the last question. One last question from.
No, it's a very subjective argument. Tamil Nadu is getting its due like any other state. In fact, this Prime Minister has functioned in the true spirit of cooperative federalism. On the contrary, when UPA was in power at the center and DMK was part of it, then you recall. See, you have to have figures first, then you have to have comparison. Today's era is evidence-based. During UPA government, what was Gujarat getting when the present Prime Minister was the Chief Minister? So much of discrimination happening. And for hours together, he was sitting before the investigating agencies for cases filed against him, which were later did not prove to be correct also. They did not stand the scrutiny of law. So much discrimination happening against the non-UPA states at that time. And there is evidence for that. The media persons know that better. So it is the other way around. In fact, the state share overall has also been increased soon after this government came in 2014. So it's in the true spirit of cooperative federalism that Prime Minister Modi has tried to create a new culture. Okay, thank you.
One question, sir, like of our 4 Indian astronaut candidates, one candidate, Group Captain Ajit Krishnan, has been diagnosed with tuberculosis. So are all 4 affected because this is a communicable disease? And also the other question is, does this disqualify this gentleman, Group Captain Ajit Krishnan, from the program? Because
No, I will be able to talk to you about it only when I get the details.